Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate the OpenStreetMap Location Picker plugin for Joget. This plugin replaces standard text address fields with a fully interactive drag-and-drop map directly inside your Joget forms, allowing users to capture precise GPS locations instantly. Let's see how to install and configure it. So first we head to the settings in the admin menu, manage plugins, upload, and here we can pick the jar file for the OSM location picker. Press upload, and we'll see that it has loaded into our plugins, and we can confirm this by seeing the OSM location picker here. Now let's see it within the form builder. So let's close this, let's head to a form builder. Now if we look under the custom plugins category on the left palette, we can drag the OSM map picker directly onto our form, and here we can edit the form properties. So now we can see that this is the label, this would be the ID. We can change this to configure this. We can also configure the default latitude, longitude, and zoom level so the map automatically centers on our preferred business region when the form loads. Let's change this to these particular values, which would be the Mokxa headquarters. We can apply the change. Let's save it. And we can now head to the live application. So if I press new, we can see that the OpenStreetMap's tiles load seamlessly, and instead of guessing an address or typing up coordinates, you can simply drag and drop this pin and click anywhere, and this would save their direct location. So let's say we pick here, and let's submit this record. Now you'll see that in the list builder, we can see that these are the coordinates that they've saved cleanly as a comma-separated text string directly into the Joget database. This makes it incredibly lightweight and database agnostic. And that's how the OpenStreetMap location picker brings interactive, cost-free geolocation directly into your Joget enterprise applications.